Laboratory glassware refers to a wide range of equipment and containers made of glass that are used in scientific research, experiments, and various laboratory procedures. Glassware is popular in laboratories due to its transparency, inertness, and thermal resistance. It allows researchers to observe reactions and processes, and provides a suitable material for containing and manipulating substances. Beakers are one of the most commonly used types of laboratory glassware. They are cylindrical-shaped containers with a flat bottom and a spout, holding and mixing liquids. Beakers are primarily used for holding and mixing liquids. They come in various sizes, ranging from a few milliliters to several liters, allowing researchers to work with different volumes of liquids. Measuring rough volumes. While beakers provide approximate volume measurements based on markings on the side, they are not as precise as graduated cylinders or volumetric glassware. Beakers are suitable for situations where precise measurements are not critical. Easy pouring. The spout or beak of a beaker makes it easier to pour liquids without spillage. The design allows for controlled pouring and minimizes the risk of splashing. Heating. Beakers are heat-resistant and can withstand direct heat from Bunsen burners or other heating sources. They are commonly used for heating liquids during various laboratory processes, such as boiling, evaporation, or preparation of solutions. The next equipment is measuring cylinder. A measuring cylinder, also known as a graduated cylinder or a graduated pipette, is a common laboratory glassware used for precise measurement of liquid volumes. Design and structure. Measuring cylinders have a long cylindrical shape with a narrow vertical tube and a stable base. They typically have volume markings along the side, allowing for accurate measurement of liquid volumes. Volume graduations. Measuring cylinders are marked with calibrated volume graduations, usually in milliliters, ml, or cubic centimeters. These markings enable precise measurements of liquid volumes. Accuracy. Measuring cylinders are designed to provide relatively accurate volume measurements, with the accuracy typically indicated by the instrument's calibration. Higher quality measuring cylinders offer greater accuracy and precision. Thanks for watching this video.